Part 1. Core Technology Display. Quancy builds the Onion OS Wall Autonomous Mobile Control Platform, which has 4 core technologies. We have configured a high-precision camera at the bottom of PhiCleaner through AI Semantic Visual Positioning technology. PV panel grid lines can be accurately identified. Also, it is equipped with protective brush. Prevent stains from blocking the lens. PhiCleaner configured with SCTC decorrection technology. Automatically correct the cleaning path to ensure straight moving. The accuracy error of 100 meters straight moving is less than 5 millimeters. We also equip the bottom of the robot with ultrasonic sensors to prevent the robot from falling when cleaning the PV panel's edge. The hardware parts of the PhiCleaner robot are produced with high standards. High-quality tracks, motors, and roller brushes ensure that PhiCleaner's autonomous solar cleaning can operate stably, enable safe, efficient, and high-cleanliness solar cleaning. Part 2. Maximum Inclination Angle. We will highlight the best-selling models on sale. PhiCleaner E1 series supports water cleaning 5 degrees and dry cleaning 10 degrees, suitable for cleaning small low-angle PV power plants. E2-L and E3-L support water cleaning 10 degrees and dry cleaning 15 degrees, suitable for cleaning C and I PV power plants above megawatt scale. E33H supports water cleaning 15 degrees and dry cleaning 20 degrees, suitable for higher angle PV power plants. It is also equipped with a radio frequency remote control to support remote cleaning of PV power plants without network. Part 3. Autonomous Cleaning Path. PhiCleaner adopts scientific rectangular return cleaning path planning. Scientific cleaning path can cover 100% of PV panels at one time, not affected by signal interference from communication base stations or blind spots in the field of vision. Clean PV panels without dead ends and avoid repeated cleaning. Achieve efficient cleaning in a true sense and improve cleaning efficiency. Part 4. Cleaning Demonstration. Why sweeping robot technology is not suitable for solar cleaning. Its core technologies include image processing, machine learning, path planning. But PV panels are different from floors. When PV panels reflect light, the sweeping robot camera will not be able to capture valid images for analysis. This leads to confusion in path planning and even falls. PhiCleaner adopts SCTC decorrection technology. Accurately identify PV panel grid lines to ensure straight line cleaning. The most difficult part to clean of PV panels is the bottom frame. PhiCleaner with ACFSP frame cleaning technology can deep clean frame stains. We use Japanese peak-scaled 100x magnifying glass to test the water cleaning quality of PhiCleaner. The cleaning quality can reach SCP-3 standard. We believe that only by thoroughly cleaning the PV panels, the PV power plants can achieve the greatest power generation improvement. Every time cliff edge dash of PhiCleaner can completely push stains to the ground. At the same time, it can turn and make a U-turn autonomously to prevent falling. PhiCleaner supports special climate operations. Autonomous solar cleaning can be operated in rainy days, foggy days, or at night.